Do you feel like social media has turned into a treadmill? You post, 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 and the moment you stop, it feels like your business disappears. I know exactly how that feels because I tried to build that way too. But as a single mom, running a home, caregiving for my daughter with special needs, and trying to build a business from scratch, I simply couldn't keep up with the daily posting grind. So today I'm going to share the evergreen system I use to sell digital products online without relying on social media. This works for me right now with just YouTube and my blog, but I'll also share why Pinterest is a fantastic option if that's the platform you'd rather start with. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. Most new entrepreneurs are told to post every day on Instagram or TikTok. But the truth is, your content there only lasts 24 to 48 hours before it disappears. That's fine if you have the time and energy to keep up, but for most of us, it isn't realistic. Social platforms are amazing for connection and storytelling once people already know who you are, but they aren't the best for steady discovery when you're just starting out. That's why I use what I call evergreen platforms, places where your content keeps working long after you publish it. For me, that's YouTube and my blog, and Pinterest is in my plans as I grow. YouTube is a search engine. People come here looking for answers, and a single video you post today can still be found weeks, months, or even years later. My blog works the same way. It grows slower, but it adds credibility and gives me another way to get discovered through Google search. And then there's Pinterest, which is also a search engine, but a visual one. People go there with intent. They're looking for planners, templates, checklists, or creative ideas. If your products are visual, Pinterest can be a fantastic starting point. Here's how I suggest you choose. If you love teaching and talking, YouTube is the best place to start. If you're a writer and enjoy explaining in detail, a blog is a strong option. And if your products shine through images, Pinterest could be your first step. The important thing is not to do them all at once. Pick one, commit to it, and let it grow. Here's how I personally keep my system simple and affordable. I publish 2 YouTube videos every week, each one designed to solve a specific problem. In every video, I share 2 links, one to my free guide and one to my course, so viewers can choose the next step that feels right for them. I deliver my free guide through my freesystem.io account, which also adds new subscribers to my email list. From there, my email sequence nurtures them and introduces them again to my course, Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget. This way, my content keeps sending people into my funnel automatically, even when I'm not online. Now, I want to be transparent with you. Evergreen platforms like YouTube, blogs, and Pinterest take time to grow. I only started my YouTube channel a few weeks ago, and my blog still has just 14 articles. So, while I build this foundation, the fastest way I've grown my email list has been through list building bundle events. These events give you instant exposure because your freebie is featured alongside many other contributors. That means new people join your list quickly while your evergreen content builds more slowly in the background. Inside my course, I go into the full details of exactly how I use bundle events so you can replicate that step by step. The reason this strategy works is because it blends both short-term and long-term growth. Bundle events give you a quick boost, and evergreen content like YouTube, blogging, and Pinterest create steady traffic that keeps paying off. When I started, I built my entire system for under $100 a year. That lean setup is exactly what I teach my students because it gets you moving without breaking your budget. Over time, I've expanded my tools as my business has grown, but the foundation is the same. Start simple, start lean, and build on it as you grow. If you want a behind the scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.